Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry मैंने इस वीक कोई वीडियो नहीं डाली but I got some severe cramps इस बार. I think I was a little late तो मुझे बहुत severe cramps हुए. I couldn't even sit properly. But finally it's my 4th or 5th day and I'm थोड़ा better so I can actually sit and talk in front of the camera. So I have a huge earrings haul this time. I have around 15 pair of earrings. मेरे पास यहाँ लैपटॉप है where I can check all the prices and tell you guys and यहाँ सब कुछ अच्छे से wait सजा के रखा है. So I'm gonna talk about each one of them. Now all of these items are from Ever Stylish. I mentioned about them in my Shein Alternatives jewelry edition as well and I was eyeing a lot of pieces since then. A few general things. I got my parcel within 5 days and site बहुत ही user friendly है. They have a payment gateway as well so you can easily place your orders and मुझे काफ़ी जल्दी मिल गया था मेरा order. So yeah, I think their delivery timings are very good. Better than Myntra and Ajio. So the cheapest item from this order is for 90 rupees and the highest I think I've spent is 246 rupees, which is not a bad deal. So yeah, let's just start. So the first pair of earrings are these perfect casual touch autumn leaf desire earrings. Now these are these pale pink या blush pink shade earrings. ऐसी Shein पे बहुत मिलती थी. Unfortunately they don't have the same design as Shein but this one is pretty good for 90 rupees. Now that I wear a lot of colors so I think ये वाला color would suit and complement a lot of pastel light shade outfits. It's pretty decent. बहुत ही light है and they make this sound as well. So yeah, just warning you guys. Now the next pair of earrings are very popular. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है पहनते हुए ऐसे. These are these fluid wrapper style golden studs. Now these aren't really studs. थोड़े बड़े हैं studs के लिए but they look so classy and so good. Perfect statement earrings and काफ़ी trendy as well. These ones were just for 187 rupees. The quality is nice. It's a proper metal sheet. As you can see, the shine and all is really nice. Really liking them. मैं actually सोच रही थी कि मैं इन्हें ही पहन लूँ but then I thought इस आउटफिट के साथ ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. अब इस पे आई गए तो इसकी भी बात कर लेते हैं. तो these are the shimmery pineapple embellished studs. Now these ones are for again 188 rupees. Not bad at all. जितने बड़े लग रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी हैवी नहीं है, बहुत लाइट है. लाइक अगर मैं ऐसे घूम भी रही हूँ तो मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मेरे कान में कुछ भारी सा है. These are extremely light, perfect for a pop of color I feel. मैंने थोड़े कलरफुल पीसेस भी लिए so that सब कुछ गोल्डन ही ना हो बस. I think ये शर्ट के साथ ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And next we have another statement earrings. These are the glamorous intertwined studs, elegant golden studs and look at it. It looks so elegant. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसी earrings carry कर पाऊंगी but I wore it with my lounge set एक दिन and it looked so pretty. उसके बाद I got 2 DMs कि I think earrings haul काफ़ी exciting होने वाला है. So I hope you are finding this exciting. These ones are for 178 rupees, like cheaper than this, 10 रुपए. But it is very light. You can see it's hollow. Like ये जो stud का structure है, it's kind of hollow from inside, so it's very light on your ears and it's perfect. In case you're wearing a very elegant blouse या फिर a formal shirt and you want to make it a little more fancy, you can definitely go for such statement earrings. Now next pair is something थोड़ा dainty. So these are their elegant golden triangle ear jackets. I don't know. So ये actually 2 parts में है. Like you can remove the triangle part and just wear the studs, but I would not do it because मैं पक्का studs खो दूँगी. So yeah, these are very delicate. Now I am somebody who likes wearing jeans and basic tops. So I think ऐसे pairs of earrings would really complement my simple basic outfits. So yeah, it would look chic and very elegant. So moving ahead to another statement pair of earrings, sorry, studs. These are their floral clay based studs. They look really nice. As you can see, iska color would actually add a very beautiful pop of color to any of your outfits. I was planning of wearing these earrings with this shirt, but then I thought pineapple one suits the colors. So these ones are just for 115 rupees. इससे पहले वाले were for 118 rupees. So around 110 and 20k you get these beautiful studs, very sturdy as well. And yeah, काफ़ी summer and beach appropriate studs है, so I like them. Next we have this dangling party statement earrings. Now इसके colors जितने भी इसमें studs हैं, they're all pastel shades, so it looks very beautiful and I am lately into a lot of pastel and light shades, so मुझे लगा ऐसी statement earrings would suit a lot of simple tops that I wear. Now a usual girl would not require so many pairs of earrings, but I make a lot of videos जिसमें मेरा इतना ही portion दिखता है, so I need such statement earrings to look थोड़ा nice. So इसलिए I got these pair of earrings and this one is the most expensive. This is for 246 rupees, but I think it's worth the money because It looks pretty cool. And I'm not really a person who would go for those statement earrings which are huge and they have a lot of embellishments. I think danglers suit my face and they suit my vibe as well, so that's why I got it. Okay, next one in the list is this pineapple embellished studs. मैं इनके बारे में बात कर चुकी हूँ. They are already my favorite. जो next pair है उसके बारे में already I think अपनी Shein वाली वीडियो में भी बात कर चुकी थी. I was eyeing this for such a long period. This is their golden starfish statement earrings. It looks so cute. I think I wore them in my videos as well. ऊपर they have this golden shell and उसके नीचे there is the starfish. It looks very beach appropriate again. Actually ऐसे summer beachy accessories are in so much trend right now, so yeah, if you're looking to buy some really nice trendy pieces, definitely go for such summer vibe and beach appropriate earrings. Because now these ones were only for 174 rupees and I don't mind paying such a price. I think Shein पे भी I don't know इतना ही प्राइस होता था. I feel इतना ही प्राइस होता था. Next again we have these golden statement earrings. इसमें एक triangle है, then there's a hoop and there's this inverted half moon shape. I used to wear this half moon shape a lot in my neck pieces. I was obsessed a year back, and these ones were just for 164 rupees. Again, a very simple and delicate statement earring. Not really very eye-catching, but it looks very nice. I would say कि ये थोड़ा delicate ही लगता है when you wear them. I think these are the kind of earrings I can wear to my office as well as use it in my YouTube videos. Next pair of earrings are again beach vibed. These are the simple palm leaves वाली danglers. They are very light, very cute. They're not really golden. I think ये थोड़ा rose gold shade में है, but it looks really nice. Especially जब मैं बाल खोलती हूँ. ये बहुत ही light and delicate है, and I feel I love wearing these. जब मैं अपने बाल खोलती हूँ तो उसके आगे ना ये इसकी shape दिखती है ज़्यादा. It looks like कैमरा में दिखता है against my black hair. So yeah, ये बिल्कुल भी हल्का मटेरियल भी नहीं है. You can't really bend it. मतलब अच्छा sturdy quality है. So yeah. Okay, now moving to the last 5 earrings of this haul. We again have a pair of studded danglers, which is this one. It's like I have a few dresses which are very formal, so I thought उनके साथ ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. It actually goes with those gowns, but this is not really my vibe. I don't really like wearing such formal and ऐसे elegant से pieces. So yeah, this is again not golden. ये थोड़ा rose gold shade में है. इसके अलावा this is also very light on your ears. If you're looking for some statement earrings for your gowns जो बहुत हल्की भी लगे, they don't hurt your ears, you can go for these. I think ये मेरा least favorite piece है from this entire haul. पता नहीं क्यों. Just because ये मेरी vibe नहीं है, that's it. Okay, I forgot to mention one more थोड़ा summer appropriate earrings. This is their woven handicraft earrings. Oops. So this has a white button. उसके नीचे एक जूट वाला button थोड़ा बड़ा उससे नीचे. ऊपर वाला literally looks like a gem. Like if you lick a gem for a really long time, तो वो white नहीं हो जाता, उसका color हट जाता है, तो वो literally वैसा ही लग रहा है ऊपर. This is again very light, like extremely light. This one is just for 198 rupees, 200 के around. 200 के लिए थोड़ा expensive हो सकता है, but I think the quality and all justifies it. I think it's fine. I don't think so. ऐसी earrings मुझे कहीं भी और इससे cheaper price पे मिली. So yeah. Now the last 3 pair of earrings are traditional. I just felt like it. मुझे थोड़े अच्छे लग रहे थे कुछ pieces, so I just ordered them. So the first person. So पहला one is this twist and twirl hoop earrings. It's a cute सा traditional hoop यार. उसमें नीचे ना ऐसे बाली वाली design है, and उसके नीचे there's this turquoise blue. What do you call it? Embellishment, like एक हल्का सा gem है. It looks very pretty and it's very light on your ears. Usually we go for silver झुमकीज. हमेशा whenever you're wearing a kurti to office, immediately your hands go to your silver झुमकीज. And मेरे पास कुछ भी light golden में नहीं था. That is why I went for this. Like in case I'm wearing a kurti, इसमें हल्का सा golden embroidery work है या printed है, तो उसके साथ I feel this would go better than all your silver jewelry. इसलिए I got this. So next pair of earrings are these golden artwork झुमकास. Now this is not really your traditional झुमकास. इसमें there is a bird, ऊपर एक flower है, and उसके नीचे there are 2 cages, and उसके नीचे pearls लगे हुए हैं. तो it looks really थोड़ा contemporary से झुमके, and I really liked it. I feel ये if you wear something like silk sort of like silk sarees, उसके साथ ऐसी earrings would look really nice, and I really like the design of it, so I don't mind spending 200 rupees on it. And उनके पास ऐसे में और बहुत सारे designs हैं. They have a really vast and good collection of traditional earrings. मुझे actually initially लगता था कि Ever Stylish is just for like traditional earrings, but as you can see, पूरा haul was about golden pieces and some statement earrings. So yeah, I actually wanted to get a lot of neck pieces and handcuffs as well, but unfortunately a lot of it was sold out. I think post Shein ban, everybody is like looking out for pieces to buy, so सब कुछ sold out हो गया था. So I'm waiting कि वो और pieces add करे so I can shop from them. And the last pair of earrings is this bohemian statement silver jhumkas. I love it. Now Ever Stylish has a lot of collections on their site. So ये उनके bohemian collection में था. They had a lot of colors in this as well, and मैं बहुत confused थी for a very long time. There was this huge ass earrings, मैं उसकी screenshot डालूंगी. I was very confused कि मैं वो लूँ कि ये लूँ, but then I thought कि मैं उतनी बड़ी earrings कभी नहीं पहनूंगी, so I went for the medium sized one. इसमें भी they had a lot of color options, but I went ahead with the pink one because I feel pink looks cute. Pink is like a color which adds like a very nice pop of color in any of your basic kurtas as well. अगर मैं white chicken kurta पहनूँ और उसके साथ ये पहनूँ, it would look so good. So yeah, मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ beaded work में नहीं था, तो yeah, really like them and can't wait to wear them. I wish मैंने राखी से पहले मंगवाया होता. And with this, we've come to the end of this haul. Let me know आपको कैसा लगा. I think this is my first ever jewelry haul, and this maybe I went overboard with 15 pair of earrings. Let me know which one was your favorite pair. I think I really liked this pineapple stud earrings. उसके बाद I really love this beaded pink silver झुमका, एंड उसके अलावा आई रियली लाइक दिस फ्लूइड रैपर ईयरिंग्स एंड ये स्टेटमेंट स्टारफिश वाली ईयरिंग्स, बिकॉज मतलब ये तो बीच वाइज मेरी फेवरेट होती हैं एंड ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम व्हाट आई यूजली वेयर. सो या, आई कांट वेट टू स्टाइल देम. मुझे एक परफेक्ट टॉप ढूंढना है अपने कपड़ों की ढेर में से टू वेयर देम विथ. लेट मी नो विच वॉज योर फेवरेट आइटम एंड डेफिनेटली चेक आउट एवर स्टाइलिश के कलेक्शंस. दे हैव एन अमेजिंग रेंज ऑफ ईयरिंग्स, handcuffs and neck pieces as well. And if you're watching my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ishita. I make a lot of fashion haul, styling videos and other fun videos. It would mean the world to me if you check out my channel. I'm sure you'll like the content, and please hit that red button because we're very close to 50k. I just can't wait to, you know, cross the 50k wala like threshold. मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि मैंने halfway relay race खत्म कर दी है for that silver play button. So yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.